Hello friends, love Sri Lankan food. Let's make a delicious traditional Polos curry. First boil the young jackfruit until slightly tender. Add oil, salt, onion, garlic, ginger, curry leaves and green chilies. Add chili powder, turmeric, roasted curry powder, pandan leaf and pepper. Add water and cook the polos in water with the spices until soft. Once the polos is fully cooked and the liquid has reduced, add the thick coconut milk. Simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. Do not boil vigorously after adding the thick coconut milk or it may split. Enjoy!